Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me video using all drugstore products. So I do hope that you guys enjoy this video and let's start. So I'm gonna start off doing my hair first. This is the Kevi argan oil and I really love this so much because it really gets into my hair really nicely. It's not like one of those argan oils that just sits on top of your hair. And then I am going to blow dry my hair, maybe like halfway done, and then after that I'm going to start with my face. So for my primer, I will be using the e.l.f. hydrating primer. I honestly don't know if this primer is already expired because it smells bad, but I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna be late, so I'm gonna use it anyway. So for my brows, I will be using the Rimmel London in the shade medium brown. So this comes in a colored wax with a powder, so I'm just gonna directly do my brows starting from the inner corner. Nothing really special, it's just like my regular brow routine. So the makeup look that I'm doing today is actually something that I do when I'm in a rush. I just noticed that before I get ready for like 2 hours doing my hair, picking some outfit, but now I was able to learn how to cut it all short. So I am going to use this smudge pot from e.l.f. and this is in the shade bronze, and I really love this product because it is super pigmented and I only got it for $1 at dollar store at the Dollar Tree dollar store. So I'm just gonna apply a generous amount, and then after that I am going to use a crease brush and just blend the harsh line. And I'm gonna add some color on my brow bone to give it a little more defined look, and I am going to use the highlight matte shade, and using a clean brush I am just going to try to blend them all together so they don't look like a piece of shit. So the lashes that I'm going to be using today is the Salon Perfect 615 and using the Duo eyelash adhesive. So recently I have been obsessed with these lashes because they look so natural. So next I am going to do my face, and this is the Palladio rice powder. This is not even my shade, so sometimes when I buy something at the drugstore I just pick a color because most of the time they do not have any testers. So I just pick a color and be like a know-it-all and then just pray to the gods that it will match me. But I like this powder because it is super soft and it color corrects your skin and you don't look like Krusty the Clown afterwards, you know, because some powders tend to like cake so much and I don't like that look. Some people do, but I don't like that look. So after doing this, I am going to put on some mascara. It's nice because some of the powders clinged in my lower lashes, so that will be like an additional extension for my lower lashes. And sorry if this is not a drugstore brand, but I just realized that I do not have any drugstore mascaras because I don't really buy mascaras, I just get them for free. So the one that I got for free was from Tarte. Now it is time for the fun part. Since I am a fat ass right now and don't have the luxury of time to work out, I will be contouring my face using the Profusion Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm not even kidding. Every time I use this palette, people would always tell me like, what bronzer do you use? What bronzer do you use? And I would say that this is just really cheap. And when I tell them that it's Profusion, they're like, really? Really? I was like, yeah. And now I'm gonna put some blush, and this is from e.l.f. Only $6. Girl, you will never finish this blush palette, okay? And be careful with this one because it is super pigmented. I barely tap on my brush in the palette and look. Hello, boys and girls. I seriously looked like a clown, but don't worry, we're gonna fade that out. Now it is time for the highlight, still from the same Profusion palette. And for my lips, I will be using this lip kit from Profusion again. The shade is Mocha and Chocolate. If I'm wrong, I will just correct myself in the description box below. Do not come for me. Do not bully me. Stop, okay? Stop. Get over it. And then, you know what? This is actually so pigmented. I'm gonna warn you, the liquid lipstick, it has like a strong clinging power to oblivion. I don't know why. But the color is really there. Now to set everything in place, I will be using the Mario Badescu facial spray. To tell you guys honestly, I don't feel like this does something to my makeup at all. I feel like it's not working. Am I the only one? If I don't like this, don't come for me, okay? I know there are like a lot of Mario Badescu fans out there. So this is the final makeup look. That is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like these types of videos, let me know in the comment box down below. I will see you guys next time. Bye!